I didn't think I will be coming back to Gujarat so soon. It has been hardly 1 year since I came and I'm here right now. Hi everyone, I'm Aditya and welcome back to the channel. Currently I'm in Ahmedabad in front of the cricket stadium and I'm here because of this. So we are gonna have some Gujarati breakfast to start with and then we will go ahead and see the other places. As the day progresses, I will tell you more about the plan. If you haven't checked out my previous Gujarat series, we'll put a link here. You can go through it after watching this video. But right now, let's go and have some Gujarati breakfast. We ordered all the dishes available in this restaurant and everything was amazing. As usual, the food here in Gujarat is amazing. It's in the next level. Right now, our plan is we will be going to Akshardham and after Akshardham, Dakor, and then we'll be staying the night in Baroda. Photography is not allowed inside Akshardham and Dakor, so I don't know how much I'll be able to shoot. Mainly, I think today we'll be exploring the food around Gujarat.
A few moments later.
We visited Akshardham. The time is around 1 o'clock right now and we spent close to 3.5 to 4 hours inside the temple complex. We came to the parking area and now we'll go for lunch and then we'll go to Dakor. The temple complex is very huge. This is the second time I'm actually visiting. There is no entrance fee to visit the temple, but once you go inside the temple complex, there are a lot of exhibitions like audio and visual, sound effects, theatre and paintings, and there are a lot of stuff. So it will cost 80 rupees to go inside and see all those things and it will take more time. If you want to go to only temple, it will be very quick, like half an hour to 45 minutes. Akshardham opens at 9 o'clock and we went as soon as it opened, so the crowd was little bit less. Now I can see lot of queues in all these exhibition points. Our driver suggested to have lunch before we leave the city, as chances of finding a good restaurant may be low once we reach the highway. So we stopped somewhere to try out more Gujarati dishes. All the items were very tasty, especially sev tomato, and the prices were reasonable. After having lunch, we left Ahmedabad and proceeded towards Dakor. It's 4:30 right now and we have reached Dakor. The temple opens from 6:45 till 12 o'clock and in the afternoon it will open from 4:15 to 7:30. So we parked the car in the parking lot, got in an auto and came here. Since the streets are very narrow, the car doesn't come here. You have to come in an auto itself. The auto is 40 rupees one way from the parking lot and to the temple. Just like that we are done. So it is 4:53 now. It hardly took 30 minutes to go visit the temple, come back here. The crowd is too much, but there is no queue, nothing. It will be done in 5 to 10 minutes. Right now we are going to car. We will go to Uttarsanda and from there we will be going to Baroda. It's 6 o'clock and we came to Uttarsanda. So if you had seen my season 1 of the travel series, you would know that why we come to this place and want to watch the speciality here. So again, this time also we came here and we are buying ice creams. Time is around 6:20 now, so we will be leaving to Baroda. It will take 1 hour for us to reach and go to some local eatery shops. We'll go to the Tam Tam shop which we went last time. So I'm gonna end the day now. We are a 2 group. As you know, we went together for Sikkim and Vizag trip. They did not come to the Gujarat trip last time. So tomorrow they will be going to Statue of Unity and we will be going to a waterfall which is near to Statue of Unity. I forgot the name, and the rest of our trip plan I'll let you guys know tomorrow because today I didn't get any time to lay out the detailed plan. So this is it for now. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys. So it's 7:30 in the morning. I got ready and I'm waiting for the breakfast. So by 8:15 we'll have breakfast and by 9 o'clock we'll leave. As I told yesterday, one of the group will go to Statue and we will go to Zarwani Waterfalls. It is near to Statue of Unity. You just need to take a diversion. So last year also we thought we will go, but we realized if we go to waterfalls we'll be late to Statue, so we skipped it. And yeah, since we have already seen the statue, we are going to the waterfalls today. And for the night, we will be going to a place called Varangam. We're gonna halt here. Tomorrow, we will be going from Varangam to Dholavira. And in the Dholavira, we will cover places like Harappan civilizations and Chippers Viewpoint. Next day, we will go to Dordo. That is where we went last time to see the desert. The next day we'll be traveling from Dordo to Ahmedabad, and then on the following day we will be going to Uttarsanda Temple and Patan, and then the last day will be only shopping. Oh, and by the way, the tickets to Statue of Unity were full. So last time when we booked, the tickets were available and we had purchased express ticket, but that was not needed. But today both the express ticket and the normal one, both were full, and the tickets were actually bought about a month ago. So if you are coming to Statue of Unity, please plan ahead and book the tickets. After having breakfast in the hotel, we left to have a second round of breakfast. We wanted to try out the famous sev usal. All of us loved it and we ordered again. The service and staff at the hotel were amazing. After having the breakfast, we went to EMC temple. Even though we had visited the temple previous year, we wanted to see it again. Then we left Baroda. We reached the waterfalls. It is 1:05 right now, and this is the bridge. There is a route that side as well and a route this side. According to map, the route was that side, but we asked some of the local children. They told us to go here, so we just crossed the bridge and came. And car cannot go all the way, so the car is parked here, and we have to trek for a while. We reached the waterfalls. The trek was about 15 to 20 minutes and it is full of these kind of rocks. We stayed here for maybe 10 to 15 minutes and we played in the water. When you're coming to statue, you can come here as well and stay for about 30 minutes because crowd is not there. Maybe during the rainy season the crowd will be more because the water level and the force of the water will be there. But as of now, as you saw behind, there are hardly like 2 other families apart from us. There is a way to come up also along the route for the waterfalls. So we are heading back now. It will take about 5 hours to reach Virambam. We want to go to Dholavira where the Harappan civilization and the white desert is there. But going from here to there in one stretch will be difficult for the drivers because the distance is too long. So we have taken this Virangam as a middle point. By the way, I have purchased a new mic and I hope the audio was much better than all the previous videos. There are a couple of stalls here, so you can buy some coffee, tea or small snacks like that. We have come to the Mahadev Temple. It is just 15 minutes away from statue. So when we are going to waterfall, we came to a checkpoint where we paid 500 rupees and went in. So from the checkpoint, instead of going towards the Statue of Unity side, you have to take the opposite direction to reach here. So this is the temple, and if you come down, there is a viewpoint for the dam. They were just informed that here Aarti will happen for the river Narmada, and whatever you see out there, those are for the light show. The other of the group, so they are still in the statue, so we'll just go to lunch, finish up, and then we'll be going to the hotel. So we'll reach hotel by 9 o'clock, and hence I won't be shooting anything else now. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can add a comment, or you can check out my previous season's Gujarat trip. So whichever is comfortable for you, you can do that. I will also leave the link for the Gujarat playlist in the video description, so you can go and check it out as well. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. In the next episode, I visit Dodo and get the glimpse of the Great Rann of Kuttchh. White desert is truly mesmerizing. In the evening, I was lucky to get one of the best sunset I have ever seen. Stay tuned.